Hello, my name is Stan Mason, and I wanted to share my medical guardian story. My mother, who is 89 years old, recently began living alone when my sister passed away, who was living with her. She always insisted she didn't need a guardian because she had her cell phone with her all the time. But we felt that being alone at 89, she needed more protection. So we got her the medical guardian. She was outside working in her flower bed, came back into the backyard, stepped up on the step to the back porch and fell on her face. She broke her nose and began bleeding profusely. Her cell phone was in the house, but she had her medical guardian around her neck, was able to punch the button, talk to the medical guardian assistant, and within 10 minutes, the emergency medical services had arrived. She had told them that she was laying on the back porch, and the medical services came around to the backside, to the back porch, and were able to assist her and get her to the hospital. She's doing fine now, but she will not leave the house or go anywhere without her medical guardian around her neck. It was truly a life-saving experience for her, and she now believes wholly in the device. Thank you.